I hear a test. I hear an EAS error. Who is that? Who is that? Hello? Is that Upton? Yep. Yep, that's Upton. Upton tested early. Upton tested on time today.
During out is 17 weather. The test will be postponed to the next warning alarm. If variability noticeable at greater distances. Using a good quality receiver in good working order. Provide the most consistent and dependable warning service possible. The warning alarm will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties: New York, Bronx, Nassau, Queens,
Wow, WXJ94, how nice of you. How nice of you, WXJ, to interrupt the OKX test. Okay, so WXJ94 is being a jerk right now. They just interrupted the OKX test.